Okay, this is my starter snap-on toolbox that I started up with. I got my picks, my hex, my air blower, my test light, my cotter key puller. This is my little mirrors, filler gauge, tape measures, spark plug gapper. This is my scrapers, gasket. These are my 1/4-inch tools. Metric and standard. This is my plier drawer. And more pliers. This is my 3/8. Yes, I do keep extra ratchets. These are my standard wrenches. And my larger ones. These are my metrics from 10 millimeters to 19 millimeters. These are my old school screwdrivers, still in great working condition. These are my 1/2 inch. This is all my impact, short and deep well, standard and metrics. Well, that's the end of my toolbox.